Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about vector, scalar, and position and how this can be understood very easily. This is on AP Physics 1, Unit 1, Kinematics. What is a vector? A vector quantity is a quantity with both magnitude and direction. It's important to see that both has to be there for it to become a vector quantity. For example, I am driving 50 miles per hour to the east. In this case, 50 is the magnitude, so to show how fast am I driving, then east is the direction, so I'm going to the east. And we have an arrow here. It shows how long the arrow is, so that's a magnitude, and it's pointing to the northeast direction. And since it has magnitude and direction, this is also a vector. Then what is a scalar? A scalar quantity is a quantity with only magnitude and there is no direction. It's pretty similar with vector, but just changed a bit. For example, I am 183 centimeters tall. Here I only have a magnitude and there's no directions. Let's say a friend asks you how tall are you. You're not going to say I am 5 feet to the top or I am 5 feet to the north or something else. That doesn't even make sense. Another example is this ball weighs 80 kilograms. So there is also no direction. There are some examples. The scalar examples are distance, speed, mass, temperature, and height. Vector examples are displacement, velocity, force, and acceleration. You guys don't have to know this for now. I'll get to these in the future. So this is just some examples of both quantities. Last, what is a position? Position is something or someone's location in space. For example, she started walking at 0, 0 and stopped at 2, 3. Oh, and this is all coordinates. I believe you guys learned this in middle school or even elementary. Let's have a practice. Is this a scalar or a vector? Bob exert a force of 20 newtons to the right. This should be quick and simple. If you pick A, you are correct because it has a magnitude of 20 newtons and the direction moving to the right. So it has both magnitude and direction and makes it a vector quantity. Let's do this one. Is this a vector or a scalar? The basketball star Stephen Curry is 6'2". Is this a vector or a scalar? This should be scalar. It's very quick and simple. Since it tells you only the magnitude, so how tall is he, and there's no direction, so it didn't say, oh, he is 6'2" to the north. By definition, it is of course a scalar quantity. Thank you guys. I hope this video explained and cleared some concepts. And in the next video, I will be going through the difference between distance and displacement. Thank you guys.